A compact greywater biofilter septic system for a tiny house can significantly improve water quality for irrigation or safe infiltration. Design the system with a small gravel-packed sand filter, a planted biofilter, or a textile filter placed after the greywater collection point, sized to handle typical household flows and easy maintenance. Use low-maintenance media such as coarse sand, rounded gravel, or synthetic textile mats that resist clogging and are simple to replace by hand. Select media depth and surface area based on expected flow, but for tiny houses, think in terms of volumes you can lift and change easily. Include a simple distribution layer that spreads incoming greywater evenly across the filter surface. For example, a perforated pipe with small outlet holes laid in a shallow stone trench and covered with geotextile to prevent fines from entering the media. Provide a clear overflow routed to safe drainage away from foundations and into a soakaway or municipal-approved infiltration area so large storms do not bypass treatment and cause nuisance pooling. Avoid routing kitchen sink water into the system to reduce grease and organic loading that rapidly clogs filters and encourages odors. Instead, divert kitchen sinks to composting or a separate grease trap. Plan maintenance access with removable inspection ports and top covers so you can periodically remove accumulated scum, replace textile mats, or rake the planted surface without excavation. Common problems include rapid clogging from high solids or grease when kitchen wastewater is included, which you avoid by diverting kitchen sink flows and using simple pre-filters such as a coarse basket and sediment trap. Another frequent issue is uneven distribution that causes channeling and poor treatment, and the fix is to install a shallow perforated distribution pipe or spreader tray and check for even wetting during light test loads. Finally, improper overflow routing or undersized bypass can lead to surface pooling and saturation. Ensure your overflow is sized to handle heavy rain or accidental surges and directs excess to a stable soakaway or municipal storm connection. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who work on greywater and small septic solutions and gives contractors a place to list their services and find work. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share designs, maintenance tips, and lessons learned for tiny house greywater biofilter systems.